another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen. And today we're going to be making twice cooked potatoes. So, ingredients are, these are russet potatoes. And I have 2 potatoes per person, which means it's 4 people in this family. So I've got 8 medium potatoes sliced, about 1/2 inch thick. And these were already cooked al dente. They're not falling apart, but you can see that it's tender. So they've been cooked once. We've got 2 cups of cheese, and this is cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese. I have onion powder, salt, black pepper, evaporated milk, and these are bacon that I had cooked earlier. This is 6 strips of bacon. I cooked this earlier and I ground it up and put this in a bowl. And this is 2/3 of a stick of butter. So let's get started. Now, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Mine is already preheated. I'm putting my potatoes into a baking dish. And then I'm going to cover it with the butter. The evaporated milk goes on. This is going to be covered in evaporated milk. I'm going to have a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of onion powder. Yes. Now we're going to put this cheese over it. Make sure some of that cheese gets down in between there too. We want this to melt real good. Now, what we're going to do is cover this, put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Now, my other cup of cheese here and my bacon bits, that's going to go on after this is done. So, I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, beautiful people. I just took my twice baked potatoes out of the oven at 40 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is add my bacon on top. This bacon was already cooked by me, and I grated it up. You can use the bacon bits that you get from the store, but make sure they're the real bacon bits, because nothing else will taste the same. Then I'm going to put my other, this is about another cup of cheese right here on top. This is going to be very cheesy, as you can see. Now, I put my oven to broil. I got it on broil high because I want this to bubble up and get a little bit of golden brown on top. So that's ready. I'm going to put this back in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. Be right back with you. Hi, welcome back. Okay, I had this on broil. It was on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep checking on this so that it doesn't burn. You just want to get it golden brown the way it is right now, the bacon bits and the extra cheese we had on top. So now this is ready to serve. So I'm going to get a little bowl here and spoon this. Hi. So if this is not firm enough for you, it's got still a little bit too much milk in it for you. Only thing you have to do is put it back in the oven, uncovered at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Uncovered. It's already done, but you just want to soak up a little bit more of that moisture, that milk. Okay, now what I've done is I've already spooned some out. And I put into the bowl. And now we're going to do our best part, the taste. Let's see how this is. This is one of my personal recipes also. This is very hot. Bacon bits are very crunchy. I use a hickory smoke. You can use whatever type you want. It's very cheesy. You can taste the different kinds of cheeses that's in there. This came out very good, very delicious. So folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, share me with your friends, and I'll be right back with you next week with another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen.